What's up guys, Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement. I am standing in the primary bathroom of a home in Dean Hill and want to shoot a quick video to share with you the inspiration behind this transformation here and that process that started. So we had a really cool experience working with this homeowner from the start. They reached out to us, they found us on social media, we set up our initial phone call with them. Before you know it, we were out here, the designer and myself went through the whole layout with them and chose some really cool features to transform this space. And so what's really different about this, the homeowners actually use their living space from time to time to shoot movie production murder mysteries. And we'd actually come over at one point in time where they had the smoke rolling in the living room and they had all the lighting set up. So it was really cool. And the idea in this space is that they would like to carry some of those characteristics of the living room and the family room into the bathroom. And so as you can see, it's kind of got that pre-early 2000 Tuscany look to it. And the theme, after all said and done, was for this to be more of a old world British theme. So we're talking, you know, wainscoting and we're talking wallpaper. We're gonna go in with a really cool chandelier and a large clawfoot tub. But before I go through all that layout, I wanted to start with just what we're working with to begin with and what it looks like before we tear into this space.